Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very long-awaited holiday house tour. I feel like I've been talking to you guys about this for a little while, and by a little while, maybe a month and a half, because let's be real, my Christmas decorations were up at the start of November. I'm a freak. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, actually, speaking of freaks, check out these t-shirts. Coolest thing ever. All I want for Christmas is you. Look, it's a sheep. Coolest thing ever. I realized I should sit down before I keep talking. If you are here in Australia, I got this from Kmart. They're men's pajamas. So Brandon and I have got matching ones and the shorts have like little sheep on them. I'm festive. So yes, I have had so much fun decorating for Christmas this year. Went a little bit crazy, 3 Christmas trees. You're about to see all of it, so I'm not going to go too much into it. But thank you to all of you who have requested to see my full holiday decorations, decor, home tour situation. I have kind of been sneak peeking things a little bit on my Instagram stories, which by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, what's up, sis? Why not? I crack really bad dad jokes like every other day. Like, you're missing out. But yes, thank you to all of you who did request it, and I'm gonna stop rambling and basically enjoy Christmas Wonderland, which is my house. All right, so starting at the front door, I've got these 2 big, beautiful wreaths. These are from Balsam. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it. They're just gorgeous though. They're very sort of like weatherproof and sturdy, and they're also, they've got little LED lights in them. They're so pretty, especially when they're on at night. They just look absolutely beautiful. Then going inside, I only did the downstairs, I'm not gonna lie. First up on the right-hand side, this is the office. This is pretty much at Brandon's office, but look at little Georgia. She's like trying so hard not to fall asleep. I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. So first up on the couch, I've just popped like a couple of, in the shop they called these Christmas pillows, but to be honest, these cushions are so pretty. I'm pretty much gonna leave them probably all year round. So I've got 2 of those on the couch here. Then our first Christmas tree. Yes, I have multiple Christmas trees. I'm a little bit extra. I'm a festive bitch this year. Okay, I don't know what else to tell you. But our first tree is like white, red, silver, and gold themed. I'm very much like a bit of a budget buyer when it comes to like Christmas ornaments and things. I will hunt me down a bargain, and a lot of the time you find, like a month before Christmas or so, everything is on like major discount, even like up to 60%. So I decorate with like, metallic tree picks, textured baubles. I use these beautiful fluffy ornaments. I bought these at Spotlight last year. They had none this year. I was devastated. And also this beautiful sort of like organza ribbon. I kind of like drape it over the tree and just mix all the colors in together. Decorating the trees is one of my favorite things to do. Like, I love it. And then over here on the desk, we've got a little reindeer friend. Also up here, I've also got a wreath that matches the tree. So I've just taken some of those decorative ornaments from the tree and a little bit of that ribbon, and I've sort of tied them onto the wreath so that it all sort of blends in. Then on the desk, we have these cute little mini sort of tabletop trees, I guess you could call them. They have got like that fake snow in them, so they've been flocked. They're so pretty. And then on this side, I've got like a little mini Christmas tree and a little nutcracker. You're gonna freak when you see how many nutcrackers I've got. You're gonna be like, Nikkia, you need to calm down. And this is Georgie's chair. I just want to show you. She sits here and like staunches everybody that walks past. It's like a little lookout. She's so funny. Hi, little baby. Hi. You are so cute. All right, moving into the front entranceway, I have decorated our staircase with these beautiful garlands, and we did a little bit of a DIY job on these. They were originally 3 meters in length. We sort of attached them all together. We wrapped little beautiful fairy lights through them and also sort of little tiny miniature baubles in them as well, just to kind of jazz them up. I love how they look on the staircase. It was very quick and simple. Again, very affordable. And just like, it looks so romantic, and I cannot tell you how pretty this looks at nighttime, when there are no lights on in the house. It's just beautiful. Like, I could sit and stare at them all day, honestly. And then on the right-hand side of the staircase here, just on the wall, I have another wreath. A lot of these wreaths I did make myself. I just buy plain wreaths and then I decorate them up with, different baubles and ribbons. And a couple of them I have put in little fairy lights as well. So this one's got little beautiful like LED fairy lights in them. A lot of them run on timers, so you don't even have to touch them. It's very, very easy. And then I just mix up different baubles and tree picks and, you know, different decorations and things like that, and just sort of, I don't know, jazz them up. And oh, I also forgot this little room on the side here. This is technically meant to be a cloakroom, but I do have some little Christmassy decorations over here. Now, Christmas candles literally have taken over my life. This one here, marshmallow pumpkin latte, smells so delicious. And then I've got like some little ornaments. Honestly, like I've got a Christmas candle in every single room. Like I'm fully out of control. Like literally fully out of control. So yeah, just some cute things in that room. Now we're going to be going into the formal lounge. It's like a fancy lounge room in our house. I am obsessed with how our fireplace and mantelpiece came out for Christmas this year. From the formal lounge, you can sort of see the rest of the house. So this is sort of like a centerpiece, but I've draped it with a beautiful green garland. I've then wrapped little fairy lights, little LED fairy lights through the garland. I've put little gold bows on the ends just to kind of jazz it up. And I'm just obsessed with how it came up. Quick, simple, and it completely transformed this room. Like it looks so different in here. The other thing I love about this room is you can see the reflection of those garlands on the stairs with all those pretty fairy lights in the mirror, and you can see them when you walk past. It's so beautiful. Love these. I got these from Spotlight. They're little fluffy Santa stockings. They're so cute with these little baubles on them. Yeah, I'm just really, really happy with how the mantle came out. I've wanted a mantle my entire life, and now I finally got one, so it's so exciting. Now moving into our main living area, this is our dining room table. Now I do like a proper like tablescape, you know, when we're hosting dinners, and we are actually hosting quite a few dinners this year for Christmas. I've already had one, but we're having both of our families over for Christmas as well. So this table will look very different when I do it up. I'll probably put it on Instagram, but I've got some little wreaths here. I actually made this myself again. So I've got a plain green garland, and then I found these really pretty silvery goldy kind of garland wreaths, and then I sort of just attach them together with some wire, put a bow on them, and they look so cute on either side of the window here. Then in the center of the table, this is like our everyday sort of a situation. We have this beautiful snowflake table runner. This one is from Spotlight, and then we've kind of got like a couple of little Christmas trees. We've got a beautiful Christmas candle. 'Tis the season. This one is from Bath & Body Works as well. It smells so freaking good. Oh, I just love it. You know, some metallics, some feathers. I mixed a lot of chromes and sort of whites and feathers this year. I mean, I have every year. I don't even know why I'm saying that. I just, chromes and feathers together for me is like my fave. Got another wreath up here. This one again has been decorated and also has little fairy lights put in it. Then moving into the kitchen, I've just got like a little, like we really use our bench. You know, we work from home. We're quite often using it for different things. So I've only got like a little sort of smaller situation on my bench because I use most of the other space and I couldn't cover it up. So I've got like this little glittery Christmas tree, this beautiful sort of snowy candle. There's a reindeer head, another flocked mini tabletop tree, and then also another white feather tree. It looks really, really pretty, and it's all set on top of like a little snowflake. It looks so cute. Also, in my Instagram stories the other week, I mentioned this diffuser. I have been using essential oils in this sort of Christmas themed, you know, essential oils. The house smells so good. I also have multiple scents throughout the house, and I do sort of, you know, I've got a little Christmas scents going on, okay? And then all of our tea towels, they've got like little Santas and stuff. Like I keep everything very, very Christmassy. Then moving into our sort of more casual lounge, this is our little friend. Well, he's not that little. We've got a large nutcracker, and then we've got this sort of cute stuff here on the table next to him. More nutcrackers. Like I promise you're going to see nutcrackers everywhere. I call this guy gingivitis. He looks like he's got a serious gum infection. I don't know what's going on there. But another Christmas candle, cinnamon caramel swirl, again from Bath & Body Works. It just smells so delicious. Then through this lounge room, I've just sort of, there's not much space here, so I've just put these really pretty rose gold shimmery peacock feathers in the corner just to sort of Christmassy it up. And guys, it is time for the mother of all Christmas trees. So we have got a 12-foot Christmas tree at the back of our house. It was funny when Brandon and I first were building this house, the first thing that we said to each other was we want a huge Christmas tree. Like we want it to be all the way, because we've got this open void area at the back of the house. Like the bottom story goes all the way up to the top story, and we were like, oh my God, like we have to have the biggest Christmas tree that we can find. So we got one. This is from Balsam Hill again, and I have gone crazy. It's got a little nutcracker. I mean, it's not that little. It's probably at about waist height. They're quite tall, but we thought that we'd gotten way too many decorations for this tree. Yeah, nah. We need so many more. It is just huge. It's like 200 kilograms. Like, it is a beast of a Christmas tree. So lots of different ornaments on this tree, lots of snowflakes, lots of glitters, lots of different textures. Some of the ornaments I painted myself. I make all of the Christmas bows myself. I find it like quite relaxing. Like if I've got like 30 minutes free, I'll make Christmas bows. And then I love that we've got a little B and a little N for Brandon and Nikkia on this tree. There's also like flowers, there's rose golds, there's silvers, there's golds, there's whites, there's feathers. I actually just cut up feather, you know those feather boas that you can buy from like party shops as part of costumes? Literally, I cut them up, I roll them into little balls, and I use them to decorate the tree. They look so, so pretty. But I'm so happy with how this is working out. But yeah, I got a long way to go with ornaments for it. Like there is so much tree to decorate. Other cool thing is from the void area, so you can see over the balustrade upstairs. Look at her. She's such a centerpiece. She's my baby. I've been working so hard on her. She's my baby. I'm festive and I am loving it. Now, moving through into the last downstairs room that I did decorate. This is our theatre room, and probably fair to say this is the room that we spend most of our time in at night. It's got like a big projector sort of situation, theatre screen. So we like watch movies and TV, and like it's really, really cozy. So we've got another Christmas tree in this room, of course, and then like some other decorations and stuff as well. And I did put some cushions. I switched out the cushions on the couch to make it a little bit more Christmassy as well. So firstly, on this little side table, just some more ornaments, you know, a lot of glitter textures, a lot of little light up Christmas trees, more nutcrackers, more feathers. I've got a beautiful garland draped over the back there. More nutcrackers again, lots of whites, lots of silvers, lots of glitter. My house is covered in glitter. I'm covered in glitter. Brandon's covered in glitter. Georgia's covered in glitter. The cat's covered in glitter. Like, we're all covered in glitter. There's glitter everywhere. And I'm not mad. You guys know how much I love my glitter. Then the third Christmas tree, and this is probably my favorite Christmas tree in the whole house, just because I'm so happy with how pretty it looks. So this one's sort of more like earthy beiges, golds. It's got white organza on it, lots of pine cones, lots of little like snowflakes, lots of different textured ribbons. Again, I made all the bows myself, like I said earlier. I just think it looks so, so pretty, this one. And the other thing that you might not even think of is I actually go and get tree toppers. I cut the little stems off the bottom and then I hang them on the tree. That's what these big snowflakes are. It's a different sort of way, I guess, to source, you know, ornaments if you can't find things that you're really looking for. This little owl friend is Brandon's favorite ornament. And then moving through from that Christmas tree, like I said, I got those, I've switched out the cushion covers to make it a little bit more Christmassy kind of ish. I just feel like it's a little bit wintry looking in here, even though we are heading right into the middle of summer here in Australia, but that's okay. I've got, you know, like little snow globes. I've got another little snowflake on that little coffee table there, more little mini trees. I've got some more little decorations on this side here. Lots of light up LED stuff in this room because at night it all just glows with this beautiful warm light. It's so relaxing in here. It's just, it's Christmas Wonderland as far as I'm concerned. I'm so happy. I've got another little mini flocked tree here. Some more glitter. Are we surprised? Honestly. Another Scentsy with more Christmas scents. And then I've got a beautiful green wreath here in the center of the entertainment unit, I guess you could call it. But I've got a candle in the center of this wreath. It's another Christmas candle, again from Bath & Body Works. And I actually made this wreath myself. I just added different foliage to it to make it look more realistic. And then when heading out of this room, you have your final wreath. And that is pretty much it, guys. These are all of my decorations for Christmas 2018. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. And thank you to all of you who did request to see it. If you do have any questions about any of the ornaments or any of the decorations or anything, just make sure to pop them in the comment sections down below. I'll be answering all your questions down there. But yes, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I had so much fun decorating for Christmas this year. Like I said, I'm super, super festive. I'm loving every single second of it. So yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed it coming in and having a little look. I love you all so, so much, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!